Delkor Systems is a robotics packaging company. We specialize in secondary and tertiary packaging. We specialize in providing custom solutions for customers. Additive manufacturing is tailored perfectly for custom solutions. As Delkor continued to grow, we really needed a solution to address our throughput capacity. FDM was a great way to have an introduction to additive manufacturing, kind of a way to get our toes, dip our toes into the water a little bit. But I'd say around 2020, we saw rapid expansion in business. And so we needed a rapid expansion in capacity and throughput as well. The throughput that the H350 has is extremely high. Between the throughput of the H350 and the automation associated with the T1, one operator can handle the workflow from front to back. So from slicing a nest all the way down to producing a part in hand to our warehouse. So in using the H350, we're seeing as much as 60% cost savings compared to previous manufacturing methods. Yeah, with the T1, we're able to cut at least 30 minutes out of our post-processing workflow compared to manual breakout process.